Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show how to set up your Wise Bank account. So first thing, the first go you will just have to go to the description box. You will find a link that will take you to the registration page. When you click on the link, it will take you to this page. From this page, you can just click register. All right, and when you have here different option to do that, you can log in with you Gmail, Facebook, or Apple ID. You can also basically type your email here too. That's what we were going to do for now. Click next, and then you just have to follow this along. All right, once that's done, you can just go right here. Here we have here, what kind of account would you like? Would you like to open? Would it be personal or business? So for us, we are going to try to create a personal account. We are going to click this one here, and then your location. Of course, I am from the Philippines. I am just going to click continue, and there I go to verify your phone number. After doing that one, you should be able to set your own password. Right here I am going to type mine and click continue, and here we go to this is basically how it looks. Right now you are just going to fill in this information. Say for example, in my case I am going to try 20, and then I am going to click continue. So reception, it's going to be personal, and then I am going to type my name here, and then we don't need to enter the phone number. As you can see here, we cannot really do that to anyone anymore. So yeah, basically just fill in the information needed here. All right, and when who's new reception, so I am going to try myself. All right, so I have done everything, so I am just going to click continue here. All right, and when who's reception, so I am going to try myself. All right, so I have done everything, so I am just going to click continue in order from me to be able to finish this step. Now once I am here, that I am going to do is just go right here, and we are going to go to setting, and then this time we are going to verify our email. We are just going to click this one here, and then click send email verification, and then I am going to open my Gmail for this one as well as right. So have here Wise. I am just going to click that one, and then here I am going to click confirm your email. All right, so email verified. It should be okay. Let's try to refresh so that you go. So now it's fully verified, and then from here you can just click connected account, and from here you can just cannot your bank account as well, and after that one you can just click home, and congratulations everyone, you should be able to use twice after follow those steps in this the last video. So please subscribe in our channel, and all any comments you let us in the below. I am Mohammed Walid. See you later, another video.